Oh, hello again. Now we're going to take a look at the Club Continental Suite. Come on in. So you can see we've got quite a bit more space. Definitely would recommend taking a look at these. All of this space around with the bed. Nice little champagne welcome. It's a good looking guy over there. And then we've got the terrace. So let's pop on out. Oh, it's already open. So come on out. We don't have the same views over here because of where we're docked. We got a bunch more space looking across the harbor out. And come back on in here. Check out all the storage space that you have, along with Butler Services. The laundry we didn't talk about last time. Get some laundry included in that. And then you can see all the cabinets. So you can store everything you need. And there you go. There's the other options we have. Bathrooms as well. You can see a bit more space in there. Full shower. Bathtub if you want to have a nice little soak. And there you go. Some of the options we have for next year's cruise.